And finally, I take it as a challenge to prove myself, to learn this language and to deliver my speech in a proper way, so people can encourage me, people can inspire me, people can admire me. This is how my journey has been started for that period of time, and still I'm also struggling to prove myself.
Okay, so what's your future plan? What you are going to do in the future?
It's been quite a long time. I have been living over here in a foreign country, so I have a future plan. I would like to come back to my home country, and I have a plan to open a new school, and there will be a lot of needy people to whom I would like to train them, to teach them with free of cost, and this is my future plan. So this will be open for each and every one.
Okay, so what was your future plan when you were 16 or 17 years old?
Yeah, because there was no any specific future plan. Just every time there is something roaming and popping in my mind. But finally, I decided to settle down abroad. But finally, Allah Subhanahu wa Taala fulfilled my wish and dream, and still I'm on job, and I'm thankful to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala for that.
Okay, how do you manage or how do you handle your stress?
Yeah, see, when I'm facing depression or anxiety, I try to avoid it because it's a kind of disease. It can kill me. It can harm me. So whenever I'm facing this kind of issues, I'm trying to be connect with multiple people in order to get rid of from these symptoms, and that is the good option for all of us. Even we have to focus on good deeds instead of bad deeds, because after all, we'll have to die, and this is not our final destination. So at the day of judgment, and our result will be there. So this is how I am managing and controlling my depression.
Okay, so many individuals are frustrated for their frustration. So do you believe frustration is a part of our life?
It's a kind of disease, and we have to overcome at any cost. And even most of the people, they're addicted with bad deeds, and this is how we can try to be far away. And the best part of it to do the good things. This is how we can move forward to for a better life.
Okay. So do you have any experience in your life that someone insulted you for not learning English? I mean, for
Yes,
knowing how
yeah,
to speak in English very well.
yes, you are absolutely right. Yeah, let me share with you an incident which was occurred after I came back to a foreign country. At first, when I joined the company, one of my colleagues he humiliated me that you were a challenge to prove myself, to learn this language and to deliver my speech in a proper way, so people can encourage me, people can inspire me, people can admire me. This is how my journey has been started for that period of time, and still I'm also struggling to prove myself. And I hope that it's just a language, and each and everyone can put their best effort to achieve their goal. And I hope that inshallah God will fulfill all of our wish and dreams. And this is how I am also one of the learner, and I consider myself as a beginner. And I hope that inshallah very soon I am going to become a fluent speaker.
Do you believe that
Yes.
intention is everything? I mean, everything is possible if someone wants.
You are absolutely right. Yeah, due to my lack of poverty and the financial crisis and not getting support from the family members, uh, I was not able to complete my study up to the mark. That was not satisfactory for me, but I did not give up. I did not stop from my journey. I continued, and I did it. And I also consider that anything in our life is also part of education. But sorry to say, I will get a good score as soon as I will be at the graduation part. But I'm sorry to say that, my dear friend.
Okay. Although this is very individual questions, I mean personal questions, questions. Although this is very individual questions and personal questions, nevertheless, I want to ask the questions. What's your monthly salary in Dubai?
Yeah, thanks for your question. See, at first I entered the country with ordinary profession as an ordinary labor because there is no access for Bangladeshi to enter the country with high profession. So I entered the country with ordinary profession, and then I proved myself. I learned something related to the computer, like graphics, Photoshop, and MS Office, secretarial courses. And then when I attend the interview, they have selected me. And because my English speaking skill was also quite satisfactory, so they selected me, and my current salary is it is between 80 to 100,000. You can say 80,000 to 100K.
Okay, that's nice. So how do you feel
Thank you
to be
very much.
here? I mean, to join in this podcast.
Yeah, thanks for the opportunity, and you are one of the lovable Mr. Perfectionist, and I really admire you, appreciate you because you are trying to connect with multiple peoples in order to give the message to all the needy peoples who are eager to learn this language. And it is also one of the best platform. And I really salute you. I really appreciate you. I really admire you, and I hope that you will continue your journey, and people will get to know so many things through this podcast.
Okay, so thank you so much for not declining my proposal to be here.